everyone, I'm Miss Phonics. Thank you for joining me today as we explore a new sound. The sound we're going to be learning today is the ah sound. And the first thing we need to do is learn how to say the ah sound. Now, if you can, grab a mirror so you can look at your mouth to check you're saying the ah sound correctly. If you don't have a mirror, don't worry. You can always ask someone to look at your mouth to see if you're saying it right. Now, the ah sound is a short, bouncy sound. Ah, ah, ah. And to say the ah sound, you open and stretch your mouth like you're shouting. You keep your tongue down low and you use your voice to say the ah sound. Ah, ah, ah. If you have a mirror, check you're saying it correctly. Ah, ah, ah. Now you know how to say the ah sound. Let's practice doing it together. Now, when I do this, it's my turn. And when I do this, I want to hear you joining in. Ah, ah, ah. Excellent. Now you know how to say the ah sound. Let's look for some objects that start with the ah sound. Let's have a look in my magic box and see what we can find. Oh, I found an alligator. Oh, he nearly got me. Can you hear the ah sound at the beginning of alligator? Ah, ah, alligator. Now I want you to join in. Ah, ah, alligator. Ah, ah, alligator. Excellent. Let's see what else we can find that starts with the ah sound. Oh, I found an astronaut. Can you hear the ah sound at the beginning of astronaut? Ah, ah, astronaut. Join in. Ah, ah, astronaut. Ah, ah, astronaut. Well done. Let's see what else we can find that starts with the ah sound. Ooh, I found an ant. Can you hear the ah sound at the beginning of ant? Ah, ah, ant. Join in with me. Ah, ah, ant. Ah, ah, ant. Excellent. So ant, astronaut and alligator all start with the ah sound. Now we're going to play a little game. The game we're going to play is called Find the Sound. I'm going to say some words and I want you to listen carefully. And if the word starts with the ah sound, I want you to give me a big thumbs up. And if it doesn't start with the ah sound, I want you to give me a thumbs down. Now I need you listening really carefully, so let's turn on our listening ears. Click! Well done. Our first word. Animal. Animal. Does animal start with the ah sound? Yes! Well done. And our next word. Mug. Mug. Does mug start with the ah sound? No, it doesn't. And our last word, apple. Apple. Does apple start with the ah sound? Yes, well done. You're doing a great job. Now, before you go today, I'm going to give you 2 challenges. Challenge number 1. Every time you walk past a mirror, I want you to say the ah sound and look at your mouth to check you're saying it correctly. Mouth nice and wide. Ah. Challenge number 2. I want you to have a little look and see if you can find anything else that starts with the ah sound. Maybe you'll find an ah avocado or an ah arrow. Have lots of fun looking. Well done on working so hard today. You should be feeling very proud of yourself. I can't wait to see you again soon.